Hi friends, welcome back or welcome if you're new. I got a little bonus video here. I just got back from the bank and I'm going to do a quick cash condensing. I need a bunch of ones, so I'm just going to run through my binders and see what I can condense. But I do, sorry, my cats are going at it. There should be 653 here. That's what I took out because that's what I need for my bi-weekly budgeting, but I need lower denomination. So I'm going to try to work through this until I can get what I need. So what I'll do is, friends, I will just put it on some music, maybe fast forward it some spots. So we are good. We have 611 here. Now I did take out, just to show you guys, I did take out 653, but I'm only going to be budgeting 611. So 35 of it was my husband's money that I took out at the ATM as well, because he needed cash from something. And then $7 of it was my personal that I needed to pay myself back for. So that is out. So after I did that, I am left with $611. I need $206 in ones, $175 in fives, $190 in tens, and $40 in 20s, which is here. That is great. Okay. So my ATM, we got a new ATM at my bank, and they let you break down the denominations that you want, but you can't get tens out there and you can't get 50s out. So I was limited on what I could get out. So that threw a mix in, because I wanted to get out like 850s to do some condensing. But it is what it is. I may do with what I had here in my binders. All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Give me a thumbs up if you did, and I'll see you guys on my next video, which is my budget with me. Bye.